Hey y'all, welcome to Murales Cuisine, and this is your girl Shika doing the narration. Today we're making some rice lamugee. Okay, first of all, the camera I shot with wasn't properly charged, so in the midst of the shoot, the camera went off and I couldn't wait for it to come back on. So I shot with my phone, and then on editing bench I mistakenly erased my footage. So I tried to recover some, but there's all the reasons why this video shouldn't go well. But then we'll make it work. Stick with me. Come on. So we have our ingredients lined up here. Some ginger, we have Grain of Selim and Ashanti black pepper in there, and then we have cloves, we have Grain of Paradise, we have a Star Anise and Calabash Nutmeg, and some honey, and in place of fresh pineapples I have chunks of pineapple in a tin. Don't blame me. And then I have some rice. Okay, so we make this thing work. And also we have black pepper. Okay, I'm using the black pepper because I want to use a kind of red pepper, but I don't have it, so I'm thinking the black pepper might make up for it. Now let's blend the rice, and not too fine but good enough. Okay, halfway through this recipe I'd realized that I didn't blend the rice properly, and I'll correct it. There's not enough time for this thing to ferment, but there's enough time for just the rice to become soft and color the water. Now let's blend our spices. Girl, throw that in. Throw that in. Okay, throw this in too. Good. And then I have some black pepper. I'll put the recipe in the description box below. Okay. So now I have my blended spice. I'm just gonna top it up with a lot of water, and I'll set it on high heat. I just want it to boil. Okay, blend the baby up. Okay, that's enough. Then my bowl is washed. I'm using a cheesecloth I got from Target. Shout out to Target. So I lost the footage of me sieving this stuff up. So I sieved it up, and then I realized that the consistency was too light. It was just too light. So I blended the residue again. Okay. And then what you missed is I sieved it and I added honey. Okay. And then after adding the honey, I blended it with ice again because I didn't have enough time to put it back into the fridge and have it cool So yeah, that's what I did. And then I served it with a little bit of mint, okay, powdered mint. That's what I did to it. That's what you can see on top, this mint. And I also had a second glass. I didn't add the mint, is how the plain looks like. Yeah, looks really good. Now, if you're enjoying food at home, don't forget to order food from your local restaurants, because that's the only way they can survive, and that's the only way you can keep them in business. Okay, so please order from your favorite or your local restaurants, and God bless you. If you like my videos, and you probably will be liking all the other ones, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and I'll post next week. See ya.